as you probably noticed by now, a few days ago, YouTube took away all the dislike buttons on all the videos. And we noticed this last week, I had 1 or 2 videos, the dislike button was missing. I thought, well, that's weird. And then we go to a different browser and it worked. It was kind of off and on. And then now a couple days went past, all of them went missing completely altogether. And as you see videos coming out now that they've removed that. It's something I've been threatening to do for a very long time. I remember back 5-6 years ago when we first started YouTube, they were threatening that as, there's a few things about that. As like what we're doing here, it makes no difference at all. And a lot of people think that the algorithm was based off thumbs down. That's not true at all. Some of the lottery videos had a huge amount of thumbs down and they got millions and millions and millions of views. That has no revelation whatsoever on your view count or your channel or anything like that. It's just not that way. So, you know, the like button is supposed to be a gauge of how, if people like a video or not, versus whether it's an individual creator or a big corporate company. They would always like stuff like that. They could tell what's happening, like what people like. I guess the only gauge right now is to have less thumbs up and nasty comments or nice comments. I guess you could judge it by that. But not everybody that would leave a thumb down would leave a nasty comment. In fact, that was rare they really ever would. So like our videos, you get your initial 10 or 12 thumbs down, like no matter what the video is, no matter what you do. And then after that, that was pretty much all, right? If you did something somebody didn't like and hurt somebody's feelings, you would get a few more, something nonsense like that. But YouTube, they had some issues with the videos they would post. They would have 99, 95% thumbs down. We've seen that on sports stuff, on political stuff, all kinds of different stuff that was not popular with the population would get a massive amount of thumbs down. And is that why they stopped doing the dislike button? Probably, more than likely. That was a threat a long time ago on that, right from the top. So I don't know. Facebook has done this a long time ago. Took away the dislike button. Did it really hurt their platform? No, I wouldn't really say it would. For some reason, as a medium-sized creator, like all of our channels are, certain people take extreme gratification and give your videos a thumb down, like they're really going to damage you or something. It's just total craziness. So I guess those people are going to be very upset about it. Like I said, for us, does it really matter? No, it makes no difference at all. I've already seen that it proves on our other videos it makes no difference whatsoever of the ratio of likes to dislikes. But that's my thoughts on it. It's a very complex situation. Right now, YouTube's actually been going pretty good for us. I can't really complain too much. It could always go better. It could always go worse. You know, so far everything's still along. Everything evolves with them a lot and quickly. So they could do something a couple days from now that just wrecks our channel, and it's just too bad, right? There's no regulation on it at all. But if you guys are wanting to start a YouTube channel, my advice to you is don't let stuff like this discourage you. You see other YouTubers ranting and raving about it. Is it too late to start a channel and make money on YouTube? No, it's not. Is it more difficult now than it was 4 or 5 years ago? Yes, it is. Especially to get it from ground zero. You have to remember this too. A lot of people that have 10 or 15 or 20 million subscribers, most of those people were already filthy rich before they even started. Or they're best friends with somebody that's filthy rich, you know? And so that gets you a jump off the line. When you're at an entry level of 0 subscribers and very little revenue, you can't afford to go out and buy the best camera, the best of everything and all this stuff. And YouTube doesn't like you to start off with, right? When you start off with 0 subscribers, it is extremely difficult to get a channel up making money. And that's for a good reason. If you're not going to stick with it, YouTube doesn't want to monetize you and get into all that with you. You know, it used to be you can monetize stuff right away, but it's just not that way anymore. Don't let it discourage you. It's still a good place to make money. You can make more money doing this than you can doing anything else if you find the right niche in it And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you all very soon. Have a good day.